this is just our, you know, production offices, and we have a special effects hair and makeup in there.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
And then there's wardrobe over there. Hey, Susan.
Oh, this is wardrobe, yeah.
And this right here is the garden, and it runs the length of parking lot. It's about a 30,000 square foot statue garden.
Wow.
That's a baby Noah's Ark. See, like it needs to be
Oh,
repaired.
yeah. Baby Noah's Ark.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
It's a baby.
Do all your animals, all the animals live here too, I'm assuming, right? Any animals you have in?
No, the
you have-
animals aren't here.
Okay.
Hi. They're not here working. Some of the staff, that was a volunteer on the
Okay,
staff.
that's what I was going to ask. Like, yeah, how many staff do you have?
I think about 21
Oh, wow.
staff.
This is crazy. This is just all put back here. Like, you guys are incredible.
So this is going to be an expansion area. We're going to expand the village out here. So I'm super excited about that. But I'll go ahead and show you the village first, and then we'll go to the other side. But I knew that they usually keep primary cast separate from the background, so then they put the background somewhere else. And here's the village.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm sure you'll recognize places from The Chosen.
This is insane. We interviewed Peter's wife, Lara.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we interviewed her.
How was she?
Oh, she was fantastic. She's got her hands in a few other things that she's doing too. But
That's
she was
neat.
Yeah, she was pretty cool. Wow.
So, like they did the big wedding scene here in the middle.
Yeah.
They just put walls up and did the big wedding scene. That's the Matthew, you know.
Oh yeah, this is where all that happened right there. Yeah.
And they, you know, put so much stuff like out here. It just makes it look huge.
I was gonna say that's what it looks like. So huge on screen.
All the people and all the background people, and you know, bustling around with all their stuff is.
Wow.
Made it really cool.
Oh, I bet it's so cool. I bet it's like a step back in time.
Oh, it is. When they have it set dressed, it's just amazing. I love to see what people do. This is where she did the grape press. That was Peter's. That's Peter's house. And then over here is where Jesus met Mary Magdalene for the first time. This was like my favorite thing.
Yeah. Is when everybody's here and it's bustling like that, is it just like a worshipful experience for you?
I love it.
Yeah, I would think so.
I did a tour the other day, and there was a film out here, and they're just so grateful to be here.
Yeah.
You know, and it was, you know, and then I see a lot of people I know.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of a small community.
Yeah.
And so that's fun to see everybody. And
this is incredible.
yeah, and all these buildings have, you know, insides. The facades are only those walls right there.
Okay.
But these are all,
You can go inside.
yeah. These are all.
Oh yeah.
Somebody got
Chipotle catering. Oh yeah. Wow. So they can film any indoor scenes or anything.
Yeah, so they just set dress it how they want, and
Yeah.
wow, get whatever catering they want.
What is this little window for?
It just opens to the outside.
Oh, okay. Wow.
So, yeah.
You guys can shut the door.
So our expansion that's going to be out here will be more of a big city like Jerusalem, Rome, you know.
And it'll go all the way down to the parking lot.
Wow. And so this was
Wow.
a live production that we did that we don't do anymore. It was called The Apocalypse Experience.
Oh my God.
And it was based on if you take God out of society, what could happen.
Oh wow.
Well, everything happened that was in it, and so it was old news, and it's like,
Everything happened in the real world?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, even on our last tour, people were like, well, that's old news. I don't know.
Oh my
Well, I guess
gosh.
we need to do something else. We call that Main Street. And then this is the same town after an earthquake.
Okay.
So it's
Oh,
all
wow. That is crazy.
So our
Wow.
scene in this area was rioting and, you know, people surviving,
yeah.
you know, kind of,
Yeah.
I guess that actually happened.
Yeah. Yeah, but it actually happened.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
wow.
this is the beginning of our new colonial sets. We're gonna expand all that way with our new colonial set. They all want alleyway.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, so you can make it look like, you know, people are coming from different areas and stuff when you have alleyway.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is gonna be an old barn when we finish with this. And then here's another one of our little colonial sets. I love this one.
Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh.
We call
is
this
so
the
cool.
cabin.
Wow. So was Washington's Armor a lot filmed in here?
No, actually, I did a little short film for our immersion experience, and we had a family in here. And then for the live, when people are walking through, we did a scene in here that was about Prince Estabrook, who was a slave, but he went and fought for the Revolutionary War, and they could gain their freedom if they actually fought.
Yeah.
And he actually did gain his freedom. I didn't get to tell the end of the story, you know, in our
Yeah.
production, but
Yeah.
he was brave and you know,
Huh.
so it's a great story. But anyway, this was like the favorite, the scene.
Yeah.
We had some great actors in here.
That's so cool.
This is a really good one. And then this, we call this the White House. Not just because it's white and it's a house, but because Martha Custis, before she was Martha Washington,
Yeah.
she called their house the White House,
Yeah.
which could be why the White House is called the White House.
Yeah.
I haven't done that research.
Oh, wow.
So this one is set dressed like a parlor
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Somebody's house.
Wow. Do people come in here on the regular and just clean for you, and or do you like maintain it often, just each building in general, or as far as like cleaning it up and it's just always ready, or when
I
someone
do
wants
like
it, you
it.
come in? Yeah, you like it kept.
I like it kept.
Yeah.
So I have many times walked on set and it wasn't.
Oh.
But this is what we aim for.
Yeah.
And so I like it to be set dressed. But then if the film comes in and they want to totally take everything out and do whatever,
Sure.
then we do that.
Yeah.
We accommodate whatever they want to do. But
Yeah. Well, can I sit in this director's chair?
Sure.
Haha. You might take a picture, Scott. Look at this.
Yeah. Get her picture in it. You need to face it towards the green screen.
That's so funny. This is incredible. I've never seen anything like this.
So this is an 8,000 square foot soundstage.
Wow. So did they do some shows and stuff in here with the screen?
No, we didn't have it this ready. It's new. But we did have the building and they used it for props.
Oh.
And they filled this thing up
Really?
with props.
Oh, so this is like where you'd have a retreat.
Yeah,
This is what you're
this is
talking
where
about,
we
yeah.
used to have retreats. But now we use it for lodging for the films.
Okay, yeah.
And they'll come out and rent it.
Oh yeah, this is so great. Wow, another bedroom and another bedroom back here. That's impressive.
Yeah, this is our.
But it's also Washington's Tavern. This is also.
This
Oh my gosh.
one of our staff members thought this would be a great place for a tavern, and turns out it was.
Yes. That's crazy.
But yeah, this is our little, where everybody eats, all the films.
There's a statue out there.
The Chosen.
I'm gonna come look at this statue real quick.
So here's the tomb.
Oh wow.
Little cute tomb.
You always have music out here?
If we don't have a film.
Yeah.
For some reason the films don't want music on it.
Oh wow.